Hello, welcome again. We are solving general knowledge paper of year 2024 of CDS 2 examination. Question number 93 is long term low emission development strategy envisions 1. A transition from fossil fuel in a just, smooth, sustainable manner. 2. Increased use of biofuels. 3. Climate resistant urban development. 4. Financing of sustainable development through green bonds. Select the answer using the code given below. Option A 1 and 2 only, option B 1, 2 and 3, option C 2 and 4 only, option D 1, 3 and 4. So answer should be 1, 3 and 4 because the meaning of this question is the long term low emission development strategy seeks at or the looks at or envisions are. So first is a transition from the from fossil fuel in a just, smooth, sustainable manner. So that is correct. We want the transition from fossil fuel burning and to cause low emission. Okay, so that is correct. And second is increased use of biofuel. So here the biofuel is particularly mentioned. So that long-term low emission development can be obtained by uh, your tidal power plant also, or solar energy also, or any other type of energy. So that may not be the focus of the long-term low emission development strategy. So that is not correct. The third target or envision of this development strategy is climate resistant. Sorry, second is climate resistant urban development. So we want mission development strategy. Okay. And third is financing of sustainable development through green bonds. So we want sustainable development, low emission development through or we want development through green bond means without pollution. Okay. We are ready to spend for that kind of development. Okay. We want development, sustainable development with greenery or with low emission. Okay, so that is also correct, but this is not the correct. So I will read one article and that will answer your question also. A long-term low emission development strategy envisions a transition to a low carbon economy, focusing on sustainable development, climate resilience, and a just transition while also aiming for net zero emission by a specific target date. Okay, and the key goals and principle of this long-term low emission development strategy are: first is climate change mitigation. The primary goal is to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and limit global warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius, ideally 1.5 degrees Celsius, as outlined in Paris Agreement. Second is sustainable development. These strategies aim to integrate climate action with broader development goals, ensuring economic growth, social progress, and environmental sustainability. Third is just transition. They may emphasize a fair and equitable transition to a low carbon economy, addressing the potential impact on workers, community, and industry. Next is climate resilience. The strategy also focuses on building resilience to impacts of climate change such as rising sea level, extreme weather events, and changing ecosystems. Next is net zero emissions. A long-term strategy typically includes a target date for achieving net zero emissions, which means balancing emissions with removal effectively eliminates the net impact of on the climate. Okay, now the key areas of focus of this long-term low emission development strategy. So first is energy sector transition to renewable sources like solar, wind, hydro, improving energy efficiency and phasing out fossil fuels. So here no biofuel is mentioned. Okay, so that is the answer to our question. Solar, wind and hydro are mentioned because they do not consume any emission. Next is transport, promoting electrical vehicles, biofuels and sustainable mode of transport will while also improving the efficiency of existing transport system. Okay, promoting electrical vehicles. Okay, so that is not only the main use of biofuel. Main it can be achieved through electrical vehicle also. It can be achieved through solar, wind, hydro also. Okay, so not only the biofuels. So that's why it is wrong. Industry, developing low carbon industrial processes, promoting circular economy principle and investing in sustainable technology. Next is urban development, planning and developing sustainable cities with efficient infrastructure, green buildings and effective waste management systems. Yes. So next is agriculture and land use, promoting sustainable agriculture practices, enhancing forest cover and reducing deforestation. Finance, mobilizing financial resources for climate action, including green bonds and carbon pricing mechanism. So that is the fourth point. Okay, mobilizing financial resources for climate action, including green bonds and carbon pricing mechanism. Okay, and, that is the fourth statement. Fourth statement is correct. Next is technology, investing in research and development of low carbon technologies and promoting innovation. So answer is option B. 1, 3 and 4 are correct.